What advice would you have for somebody who is interested in creating video to promote their projects, to raise money online? What advice would you give them? Any tricks that you would give them for getting comfortable on video?
Yeah, great. Look, practice makes perfect if you're uncomfortable, okay? And when I say practice makes perfect, I personally, and I think you're the same way, I can't read words verbatim, okay? I can't. I'm not a scripted guy. As soon as I go into scripted, then I'm acting and I'm not authentic, okay? People will relate to people who are authentic. So practice makes perfect, but this is critical, I think. You gotta have an exit. You gotta be purposeful in what you're doing on that video. Go from the back to the front, whereas everybody always says front to back. Okay, in this section, I got to talk about this. In this, I got to talk about that. I've been very blessed to be in platform speaking and platform sales throughout my career, right? I've been an educator all over the world. And I learned very, very quickly that just because I know the value of what I have, if I said to you, this is worth $1 million, people go, oh yeah? No, I've got to identify the pain, deliver the deliverables, take them on a journey through story, and then show them a solution to a potential problem. And then when I'm done with all of that on video, I always love to just take it away afterwards. This obviously isn't for you. You know, these high double-digit rates of returns are not going to be in your portfolio going forward. And that's okay. It's not for everybody. I understand that. As soon as you tell somebody they can't have it, they want it. I've done a lot of work on this stuff, Adam, influenced by Robert Cialdini. Cialdini, I think his name is.
Yes, that's funny. You should. I think his book somewhere under the mess of stuff on my. God, see the surface of my desk. I know it's here somewhere. Yeah. Very interesting. Influence, right?
Fantastic read.
It's a bit dated, but the lessons are very, very relevant today. Dated only in terms of the examples that he uses.